Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus 29 Meadow Ave, Cooters Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2014 Toyota RAV4 GXL, stock reference number 4088. This shape runs from the 2nd month 2013 through to the 11th month 2018. It has a 3ZR 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed manual front-wheel drive transmission. 3ZR 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage on both sides as well as the front and rear. We have the left-hand fog light, left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Have the tailgate spoiler complete with LED high-level stoplight. Also have the camera, right-hand garnish. It's got a factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets, loom and module. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a flat tyre. Driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle's fitted with black cloth interior. It's got a black leather center console lid, manual type console, 6-speed manual gear shifter, heated controls, climate control type. Factory single stack CD player, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, and the instrument cluster if we can get down in there. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.